Introduction to Homer and Epic Poetry. The life and historical context of Homer. Homer is traditionally credited as the author of two epic masterpieces, the Iliad and the Odyssey. But who exactly was Homer? That's a question shrouded in mystery. Most scholars believe that Homer lived around the 8th century BCE, though we cannot pinpoint exact dates. Some consider him a single poet, others suggest he may represent a tradition or a collective of oral poets. Imagine Greece around the 8th century BCE, a time often called the Greek Dark Ages following the collapse of the Mycenaean civilization around 1100 BCE. This was a world without written literature as we know it. Instead, stories were passed down orally, generation to generation, by professional bards. Homer's epics are products of this oral tradition, reflecting both remnants of Mycenaean culture and the evolving Greek society of his time. Consider these lines from the Iliad. Sing, O goddess, the anger of Achilles, son of Peleus, that brought countless ills upon the Achaeans. This invocation to the muse highlights the oral nature of epic storytelling, poetry meant to be heard, not just read. Now, on to the authorship debate. In 1795, Friedrich August Wolff proposed that Homer was not a single author, but that the epics were compiled from oral traditions. Giambattista Vico earlier suggested the epics reflected a collective folk memory. Later, Milman Parry demonstrated how oral formulaic composition could produce such lengthy and complex works. More recently, Gregory Nage argued that Homer represents a process rather than a person in his 1979 book, The Best of the Achaeans. So, as we delve deeper into Homer's works, remember this. We're studying literature born not from parchment, but from vibrant oral storytelling, a tradition that echoes even today.